In our previous videos we fit this car body to our RC car, but after test drive we actually broke it in many parts, and one of the reasons the car body was broken is because it didn't have enough protection. So this time we're going to fit another car body. We got a new one, another fancy one, but this time we're going to adapt some protection, some extra bumpers. These car bodies are bigger than the original one that was fit on this RC car, and these bumpers didn't protect the new car body. So this time we found some bumpers, and we will try to extend these bumpers in the way that they can protect the new car body. So when the car, let's say when you drive, it jumps and lands on the front side, it would hit the car body first, and the car body would crack. So in order to avoid that, we need to put some kind of protection here, like this bumper. So we'll try to do that. Also, we had the car body supports broken here. We will replace this with metal piece, and we'll put it back here. As in the previous videos, we'll have to cut out the wheel arches here again and make some holes here so that we can fix this car body on top of these supports. So let's see how we do it this time. We have cut out the wheel arches, and now we need to put it on these supports here. So we had these pieces here broken because they're not metal. So we got these metal pieces here from metal construction kit, which are pretty cheap, and you can buy them and find this kind of pieces. So we'll put them on these metal bars, and we will replace this piece with this piece, and hopefully it will be stronger and will not break. After restoring the supports, we can actually put back the old car casing here, because we restored those supports, maintaining the same distance. And we can also restore this car body by putting duct tape on the cracked pieces. This way you can apply the duct tape and continue using this kind of car bodies. We like this car body a lot. The car looks really cool, so we'll keep it. But now we will adapt another one, the black one. This one. So we'll have to drill 2 holes here, 2 holes here, in order to attach this car body to the base of this RC car. And then we'll try to adapt the bumpers. you.